How to fix Twitter tweets not sent on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here type Twitter and then click on it and now click force stop and then click storage and click clear cache, and after that click data usage and allow background data, this one allow it, and don't forget this one background data, and then go back, and that's it. Now just restart your phone and try again and your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then all you need to do just open Play Store and check if there is any update here, and then just update your Twitter. And that's it. I hope that can fix your problem. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.